stripping and waxing going. Before image of these floors. Oh yeah, shout out to Don Vinci Designs for another one. Don't gotta strip those. That's gonna be just regular wax. Oh, shout out to Kaboo for all the rental supplies and the urinal. They got the bathroom smell. You can't smell, but if you could, it smell good. But yeah, so we're gonna trace it. Oh yeah. Show you the updates. Cause y'all ain't been back here in a minute. Got my outlets going. Remove that old timer. Got me an outdoor outlet. Just tap right in. I got my hose holder. I just gotta get that installed, but not shabby, not too shabby. What else we got? Yeah, go take out some of this stuff. Yeah, let it work. I think it's cold outside. Well, not that, cause they had I guess flushed the sewage line, so it got rust in it. No, I was talking about the rust.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we finna get this rolling. Do y'all another quick little update. Kai officially started cleaning the windows. Probably can't tell too much of a difference, but I was able to put that stick up there with no problem. We finna do this. The time we love, dangling the keys. Well, I pretty much started doing the touch-up paint yesterday. Just touched up all of the green, so we ain't got no more. You know, the back was already pretty straight. He ain't had too much of an issue wise. Let me touch that up. We're gonna come back. Do we need any gray in here? I think the gray is maybe in the back we need to touch up. Oh yeah. I'm gonna figure out how to plug these walls too. These walls, these cracks. I'm finna get on it. But yeah, so we gotta touch all this up with the gray. Clean that up. A lot of these cracks. I'm finna figure that out. Y'all see we got full outside right there. I'm gonna figure this out now. A lot of these cracks where you can see straight through. Well, not straight through, but you know. We're gonna get that squared away. Believe it. But yeah, so, oh yeah, that gray over there. So we're gonna touch all that up. But overall, I must admit, oh yeah, them holes where the exercise at, I'm gonna figure all that out. Don't y'all worry. Don't y'all even worry about it. See what we got left doing here. Besides cleaning the flows, that is. I stopped right here, so I gotta clean this window. And I was taking these down, bringing the bars down and cleaning those. But yeah, but you see, we just got the gray touch up. All that down there, gray touch up. I'm hoping we got enough. And then I still got to do the bottom for the green, but I did all of the other little touch-up spots that was up high. You can kind of see that one right there. But yeah, get this knocked out. You know, we had the big holes. All that's resolved. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. We finna figure all this out. Yes, sir. And I'll hit y'all on the follow-up video with the waxing when it's all done and all of that. Back at it. Had some fresh deliveries. Got the salon chairs in. I kind of forgot I could have recorded from the phone, because we already got one of these joints finished. Yes, sir. With the bedazzled seats. Got the mask popping, waiting on the mirrors. Got Big Sis in here getting her stuff to ready, because she got clients to deal with. Hey, man. It's starting to look like a little shop. It's starting to look like a salon. The mirror's coming soon. Window coming soon. Just gotta get these floors in here cleaned up. But yeah, finna be takeoff season. I hit y'all back when I get all these joints built on up. Yeah. Got something special going on outside. Had to hold off on that, but we back at it. The Fresh Starts building. Yes, sir. And we got salon chairs. With the bedazzle. All I'm missing is the mirrors, window, and some individual lighting.